Hello, my name is Patrick and this is Canva tutorial. And exactly today is about downloading the app that is a Canva desktop app. And it's one of the very interesting application. There is two ways or three ways right now of using Canva. First of all, you can use Canva on your browser like the way it is right now. This is Chrome browser. And I've, I've used the Canva URL, that is www.canva.com. So that is one way of opening your Canva. The second way is downloading an app, a desktop app, and it's just as easy as using the link that has been given on the Canva website. And so by clicking on this link, you'll be directed to this page where you will be downloading the Canva application. And this is app for Windows. So if you're using a Mac computer, it will definitely not work for you. It's only for Windows. So you just need to click start downloading. And by accepting the download, it will automatically download into your machine or your laptop. Again, if you're looking for Canva for Mac, there is also a link here that you can click, and let's see where it will direct us to. I've never downloaded. I've never tested downloading for Mac because I don't have a Mac computer. So yes, it's also here that you can download for Macs. So there is also a app for Mac, and that is interesting. So you can even download from here. So the third way is, as I wait this one to download, is using your Android app or even Mac app, or yeah, I don't know if there is something called Mac app. Yeah, Apple Store, I think so. Yeah, so three ways: using a browser, either Chrome, Firefox, or any browser that you are using, or better. Two, you're using the app, that is the Windows app stroke Apple app or Mac app, and also using a Android application that is for a phone, and even also for Apple phones. So once you're done, you need to install, and because this one is still downloading, so direct already I have it my downloaded in my computer, that is the Canva app.